Hi, this is John with WTI. And sometimes things get a little bit messy. And while you're eating, or you have a stain of maybe ink, or just eating something with, and maybe something with grease falls into your shirts or something like that. And this is where this OxiClean gel, concentrated gel, does the great job. So one of the best things from this product, in my experience, is that I've had a pen that I've tried almost everything, and they just cannot remove that stain. Just slide in a little bit of this gel, let it sit there for a couple of minutes, maybe five, and even if the stain is just dry, this guy has power for days. You go and give it another cleaning session, and it's just gonna be out. And this just works for carpets, or it works for your clothes. And right now I'm gonna start using it because my car starts having to get a little bit of stains. So I'm trying it too with this. But this is primarily for clothes, and it just does a great job. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.